This is the free AliExpress Way refund not received free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Okay, so in order to guide you through this refund step, go to AliExpress Way, go to the top right hand screen and click settings. Now under settings, you want to go to the refund and return underneath payment and above feedback right here. Now, if you don't have anything, that's okay. We're going to show you how to do the refund return completely for free. Now, go under to orders underneath overview and above payment. And basically, you want to locate an item and click the order details on the top right hand screen. Now, as you can see, if you click this option, view more, you can now see that there's a couple different options: free returns or refund and return policy. If you were to click one, AliExpress will open up a free website where it will let you know exactly what you need to do. As you can see, you are protected as the buyer. And then underneath free returns, if we were to click this, you can read this free article of AliExpress Way on how to apply a free return step by step completely for free.